Well, how's it going? What are we talking about today? I,
So, I'm currently making a new game. It's a 3D game and it's based on the 1985 game Battle City. Of course, in 3D though.
oh yeah, it looks cool. Okay, where did you get the? So how does it all set up? Tell us, explain to us. Let's see some stuff, man. Come on.
Okay, so if we just press play now. So, it's still a work in progress. It's a bit buggy and the AI is a bit broken. As you see here, we're currently clipping through a building.
So this is the kind of an intro to a game. This is your first three-dimensional game, really. Oh my gosh! What's going on there?
Ooh.
Yeah, so
Okay,
you're actually using AI at the
yes,
moment.
I'm using Unity's AI. It isn't a bug, it's a bit buggy and it has trouble going down hills.
But
Woo.
as you said, this is the beginning. Ah, so you've got some grass going on there, and
Yep,
it's
I'm
flying all
using
over the place.
Unity's terrain system. That's because I probably could eventually use some shade to make grass, but just using Unity's terrain system is way more expandable.
Okay, cool. I noticed that you started this only a few days ago, so that's why it looks so bloody awful.
Yes,
I perhaps shouldn't say that, eh?
but we can also shoot and have a
Whoa!
realistic explosion
Oh my
too.
gosh, what happened to that tank? It's just like gone.
I know, it just disappeared in the small nuclear explosion.
Oh gosh, and look at that. I see that you
Playing
are.
around with some particle
So explain
systems.
to us how you did the buildings and all that, because what did you use? What was the.
The buildings are actually just a flat image. When Blender are actually, as you see here, they actually 3D. And I got inspired by, I believe it's Ian Hubbard, where he did this with the buildings, where he made 3D looking buildings.
It looks awesome here, I have to say. And it kind of, obviously, it's just the start. Oh,
Whoa!
move, go. Oh, there we go. That's awesome. Okay, great. So, I mean, you started this a few days ago. So, I mean, it's something that you could actually make amazing. I was thinking you could have lots of people throwing rocks out the windows. What do you think of that cool idea?
Yeah,
That'd be
that would be
awesome.
quite funny. All the people in the windows throwing rocks at the enemy tanks.
Yeah, that'd be awesome. Shouting perhaps something in Ukrainian or at the, maybe we shouldn't get political.
Mm.
Maybe maybe we should change the tanks into watermelon vehicles, and make. Oh, you missed
I
him.
missed.
Oh, you missed him
That is.
again. What's he doing? I think he's. Oh, there we
There
go.
we go.
This is so bad. This is shockingly bad.
Yes.
It's brilliant. And I see you got inspiration from the Berlin Wall.
I mean, it doesn't look like the Berlin Wall, but I tried to do graffiti. It's very bad because it's just the same object, just duplicated. And if you look here, it isn't lining
But
up.
you've kind of taken the spirit of that, of what was that one guy that you said got inspired about the building? I've forgotten his
Ian
name.
Hubbard.
Yeah, Ian's idea of like just duplication of taking that grotty look and duplicating it. And it,
I would have done it better, but if I tried to do it better, I would have still been trying to do the walls right now. So I just
yeah,
tried to do
yeah,
a
yeah.
prototype quickly.
So I think maybe what we should do is maybe, no clipping,
Yes, I want
AI
to
better
fix this.
systems, shooting better systems, more people running around. Maybe just like this crazy playground of mayhem. Yeah?
That
Of
would
just
be
people
cool.
going crazy. And then the whole point, the AI is actually following you, trying
Yes, I'm
to.
attempting to try and get Unity's AI to work, but as you saw previously, it's a bit buggy still with going up here, up hills, and like it doesn't rotate when going up a hill. It has some problems, but I'm
And
sure I'll fix it.
obviously, maybe doing some cool, like the wheels need to spin so you can see some, how would you sort that out?
I'm not sure, as you see here. In some way, I actually made a video when making a tank, and as you saw, the tracks actually moved. However, it won't work in Blender because of the curve tool I used, which doesn't import to Unity.
Okay. So you're going to have to use Unity's.
I have to figure out something with Unity to maybe make the tracks.
And I see you've got a weird tank that's like a merge between Second World War and. I mean, you've got a bucket at the end of it. That's weird. That bucket's filled with sand, not water.
Actually, it looks like it's filled with air because I forgot to fix the back face culling, which means it's half of it's just
Oh, yeah.
not
I mean,
there.
you only started this a few days ago, so I think it's a really impressive start. It's pretty cool. And yeah, I mean, this could really, I'd be very interested to see what this looks like in maybe about a week or two. That'd be awesome. This could really be a total chaos. It could be like a zombie. How about you do like zombie creatures running around? You just like run over them. No animals, because we love animals and plants. But people. I mean, we could
Yeah,
really.
that would be quite funny. I have a character actually, and I could just make him green skinned and make him walk around with a zombie animation.
Yeah,
That
that'd
would
be
be cool.
awesome. Anyway, so I mean, do you want to tell us how you did all this stuff? Just a brief, just the coding, and you want to go in there, or do you want to quickly show us the character?
The character.
Yeah, that'd be awesome. Where's this weird character? I know you're building something else in the background. That strange guy. You wanted to create a game.
Yes, it's
role-playing game.
Yes, it's kind of role-play game where you get to choose your character. It's still very much a work in progress also because I love doing lots of projects. But yeah.
Let's have a look at it.
Yeah, let's go to the character.
Yeah.
Okay, so here we have the main menu of the. We can just go create character.
So what is this? Before we so what is this? Is role playing. So initially we thought we'd create our own movies, our own movie scenes, right?
Yeah, so you could set up a scene, set up a character, and you could do role playing videos with it.
This guy does look freaking scary. He could be a zombie. I mean, gosh, look at that square head. Something went wrong there.
I know.
Maybe he got stuck. And he got grown in like the Chinese, or I think it's the Chinese that actually grow their watermelons in this cubular form.
Yeah, so it fits in. The fridge.
Yeah, absolutely. So you can change things. That'd be cool. Like, what zombie do you want in the game?
Yeah, and we can have variants and that can spawn. So as you see here, we have the real life colors.
Good gracious.
Some very interesting ones.
That'd be red, but that smiley face, you're going to have to change that smiley face.
Yeah, I forgot to. I didn't quite. I had to change the color of the lips also, so probably go change that to make darker color of the skin, but yeah.
That looks awesome. And we got a hat?
Yep, let's just do that. Okay, we can change the hat.
Oh, yes, obviously. We actually have one of those at home, believe it or not.
Yep, it's the nuclear hat.
Oh, awesome. I know you couldn't do an animation for the spin.
I know, I'd love to. Because it's how I did it with the loading OBJ. But I'm sure maybe eventually I could do a spin.
Yeah, cool. And what else have you got?
You can change your shirts.
Of course, yeah, that looks scary.
We can do a suit. He's in his full suit.
Yeah, cool. He seems very happy. We'd love to run him over for using a tank or something.
I know. Then he goes ragdoll when you run him over. That would be pretty cool.
Yeah, that would be cool.
He just flies everywhere.
Anyway, so what's the point? The point is this is a role-playing game, so he would... So basically we want to create a narrative, a story, and then we create the character's name. We call him Bob. And
so you'd save him, then you'd make a new world. You can add your trees eventually and like change your terrain. And then eventually you'd make a server where other people could actually join. So you could have role-playing videos with other people also. Yeah,
that's a cool idea. Anyway, that's great. Well, it's very interesting. So these are the two projects you're currently working on?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. Well, okay, so you want to... I think that's it, huh? I think that's about all. Pretty exciting. I love the tank stuff.
Yes, I think it would be pretty cool.
Yeah. But I do think maybe you should make the tank a bit more grotty looking, nasty, worn out.
Yes, I'll have to... I mean, don't forget there's currently a prototype. Like I only spent like 3 days working on it. So.
Okay, awesome. Okay, great. Anyway,
yeah. Okay, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll give you a progress update in the next video, hopefully. Bye!
Bye.